Hey, it's the guys from Caterers here again, and in this video we're going to show you how to prepare a keto-friendly cocktail sauce. It's pretty much like making traditional cocktail sauce. You're going to use the same ingredients, which is going to be ketchup and horseradish, and the only difference is that the ketchup is going to be sugar-free, so you can get that at the grocery store or you can get it online. It's pretty easy to get. Make sure you have the sugar-free ketchup for your keto-friendly cocktail sauce, and you want to have the prepared horseradish, which is already very low in carbs. So mix the two together, and that's what's going to make our keto-friendly cocktail sauce. And we'll go ahead and do that now. So we're going to add the 2 cups of ketchup. Put that away. And then we're going to add the 4 ounces of prepared horseradish. And then we're going to use a large spoon. Mix everything together. Make sure you want to blend it really well. If you want a little less kick in your horseradish, you can use less, your cocktail rather, you can use less horseradish. But other than that, that's how you want to make your keto-friendly cocktail sauce. Thank you. If you'd please subscribe to our channel, that'd be great, so we can make some more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.